Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, bed utility package, tow and haul package, and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a Bedliner and a tailgate step. We also do get a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated with blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we have front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior with floor mats. You got cup holders, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120, and you can of course lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have fully powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start. You got your spotlights, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjuster all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 42.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You got cup holders. This is collapsible. Leather wrapped center console that does turn into an interior work surface. And of course, your regular center console. You also do get a wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. Dry modes with 4-wheel drive, rear locking diff, trailer brake, and Pro Trailer Assist. Heated front seats with dual climate, a 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below. Storage right here. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and you have your park assist. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone capabilities right here, your navigation, which is pretty handy so you don't get lost. Fave apps you can select from these few. Wi-Fi hotspot, messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, there are any apps you have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your regular settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA48271, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.